Very, very crunchy. I like how they got the Oreos in here. You had crunch. Okay. Okay. I thought I was the only one. That's why. Okay, so we're gonna get this to go, Joe. This is the new Reese's Oreos. Let's see how this tastes. But sweet galore. You get what I'm saying? Not something that I would eat every day. But honey, you looking for a sweet, you got a sweet tooth? That would definitely be it, honey. When I tell you so many new finds at the Dollar Tree, I'm talking about home decor. I'm talking about snacks. I'm talking about the beauty aisle. So many major new finds that you may have not even seen yet. Check this out. Another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is these faceted glass vases. I think that's how you pronounce them. They come in different colors. These are absolutely gorgeous for $1.25. Now they have the brown 4-color. Absolutely love this. They also have this purple, just the clear, really gorgeous. But honey, it's definitely the green for me. Team green over here. These are gorgeous. Look at this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these gorgeous taper candles. Get into the designs on them. These are fancy. Now, I believe they are $1.50, but honey, I absolutely love this one. That is gorgeous. When I tell you, so many new finds at Dollar Tree. Now, today I'm in Dollar Tree in Bayonne, New Jersey. Honey, so many new finds. Check this out. You're gonna love this. You're gonna enjoy this haul. Check it out. So first up, Dollar Tree has the LA Color Eyes and Lip Studio. Now I tell you guys all the time, make sure you are checking the end cap because they have so many goodies. Now this is the lip liner from LA Color. It's called With You. This color, Miss You. Oh my goodness, 4 colors. Absolutely love these. Demsu, they also have Reckless, Peace, and these are lip cooling lip glosses. Okay, I don't know exactly what that means, but it says lip cooling. They also have some down here as well. Love Struck. Ooh, this is tint and moisture. Look how fancy these are. These are really beautiful. Absolutely love this. Now they also have the Twist Plus Apply lipsticks. Look at this, honey. Honey, don't I know how to sing? This red is giving. Now, the red is called Mad Love. They also have Gorgeous. Now, these sort of look the same, you know, identical, like with the colors. Okay, Gorgeous, Romance, Speechless. I like Speechless, honey. Rumors, a Lover. And then, of course, they also have the LA Colors, the Auto eyeliners down here. More 4 colors. Love this. They also have the mascara over here, and then they also have some more shadow sticks over here. But honey, get into this. Dollar Tree has the Oral-B Scope floor sticks. Okay, now with this you get 75 floor sticks, and the Oral-B is $4. Dollar Tree is definitely moving the beat. Moving to the beat, honey. They also have this set right here, $1.25. And then this gorgeous baby right here, like marble. This is fancy. If you guys are looking for some fashion nails from Lady Bird, Dollar Tree definitely is out here delivering 1, 2, 3. $1.25. You get 12 pieces. They also have this set. This set is absolutely gorgeous. Love the brown. It's perfect timing for fall. Now, Dollar Tree also have these LA Colors palettes. Absolutely love these. Queen's Desire. Get into this color. You get 4 colors for $1.25. They also have Fashionista. Also 4 colors for $1.25 as well. If you guys are looking for the shimmer eyeshadow, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have these gorgeous colors like this pink over here and also this yellow, $1.25. Now, my loves, if you guys have not seen the makeup brush cleanables Dollar Tree currently have right now, these are so good to have. Now, you can clean your brushes, but also you can put your makeup brushes inside here if that's what your heart desire. They come in 2 different colors. They have the purple and also the pink. Love this. For some baskets, storage containers, especially for theme, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have these baskets over here. Really cute. I absolutely love, and I say love, this design that they have on here. They have the green, the orange, and the red. Really cute. That's one of the things that I absolutely love about Dollar Tree, that you can come here and you can get storage container baskets for about $1.50, honey, and it is really good, because there's some places where as though, honey, they want like $7 or in some cases even $10 for containers, for storage containers like this. These are cute. If you guys are looking for Christmas items already, of course, Dollar Tree has the LED bush trees up. These are so cool. I remember these from last year. They are so beautiful. They also have the metal trees over here, different colors. 38-inch tree skirts they have. They also have these metal jars over here. Comes in different colors. They have the red, the green, the white, and look at the wooden trees up at the top. Those are so gorgeous. $3. I believe those are $3. Really cute. Love this. Now, when it comes to the DIY area for Christmas theme, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Holiday crafts. These are all $1.50. 10 stems. They have the mini bowls over here. The snowboard decor. 15 snowboard decors. Fork snow. Honey, you name it, Dollar Tree is most certainly gonna bring it. Dollar Tree has their ornaments and stuff out already. 12 pieces for $1.50. Really $1.75, honey. Now, they also have more ornaments over here. A lot of these we had seen last year, most of us. These reindeers, these are gorgeous. And I absolutely love the ballerina over here. That is beautiful. And then they also have these pine cones over here, glittered pine cones. Really nice. Now, Dollar Tree also have the SC Johnson, the Easy Clean Foaming Toilet Cleaner. Look at this. Dollar Tree ain't playing. Brushless foam more. They also have the spray over here, scrubbing bubbles, multi-purpose. Now, these, they don't have a price on them. Let's check them out. Okay, so the scrubbing bubbles, these are $5. If you are celebrating anybody's birthday, look at this. The 48 balloon kit Dollar Tree has up here. Oh my goodness. The golden white is the golden white for me, honey. Major new finds at Dollar Tree. Check this out. Alright, so we at the snack aisle. Dollar Tree has the Dough Organic Lollipops. These are $1.25. Honey, they ain't playing. Let me get 2 bags of these. Now, these are definitely new, these snack clubs. Tahini, let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried these or if you've seen these at your nearest Dollar Tree. They also have this one, the watermelon rings with tahini. Look at this, $1.25 snack sizes. More 4 items Dollar Tree has is these light up pumpkins, LED metal pumpkins. We kind of seen those already. Pumpkin with floral arrangements. I believe these are 3. Let's check this. All right, my love, this is $6. All right, so Dollar Tree also have these new Reese Oreo candies over here. These are $1.50. I might just get these a go, and then I'm gonna also get these s'mores that Dollar Tree has. Honey, I should not. Honey, it's 1 pack. I'm gonna go ahead and get these s'mores grams for my children. Now let's go to checkout. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item that you spotted in the Dollar Tree. Mine definitely was the Oral-B, the floor sticks. Those were amazing. Those were $4, but still absolutely amazing. They also had the beauty, oh my goodness, the LA colors. Dollar Tree is definitely delivering. Now, tomorrow, I am going to a few of the Dollar Trees, and I'm going to stop by here first so I could get some of the LA colors, because those lipsticks and eyeshadows and stuff, honey, it looked so good. Okay, with that being said, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourselves, keep on going, keep it on growing. Until next time, peace.